that is where you check in for the Princess Juliana International Airport. But we're not talking about check-in today. We're talking about departure. We're here on the departure level 1. And today, we're gonna see what's old, what's new, what's different, what's good here at the Princess. All right, y'all, I'm here with my good friend Mirto, the project director here at the Princess Juliana International Airport. And we are in the departure level 1? Level 1, okay.
Correct.
So, as I remember, the old airport, you had the elevator, which was there.
Correct.
And you had the escalator to come up. Correct. All right, so you would come up and you had to go through the whole little weave and everything. So what's gonna be different? What's changed?
So you have the elevator's going to come back, the escalator's going to come back, and the stairs, those are going to be repaired.
Okay.
We had a glass wall here that took you around into the E-gates where immigration was before.
Correct.
That has moved. So that's going to be queue-in area until you reach here for the departure screening.
So this is where they will check take off your shoes, your water, your belt, your laptop.
But we have upgraded the machines. We have 2 machines here that are going to be CTX machines, so it's computer tomography, the 3D imaging. Once you walk through, you don't need to take out your laptops.
No more laptops.
You don't need to take out your liquids.
No liquids.
You go straight through, and then trays come back to you.
So the trays go and they come back to you.
Correct.
Oh, okay.
Correct.
All right, so we'll walk through here. We'll go through.
So as you can see, there's a lot of roughing going on right now for all electricity, all of the data works that's going to happen. The machines themselves, we're going to also have a QPS 201.
What's a QPS?
This is the extra machine for the body scanners. Before you need to do your hands up, now we can keep your hands down, and that's going to be a lot quicker.
Okay.
You don't need to take off your shoes.
Keep them on.
Correct.
Walk straight through. Okay, so they'll go through, the ladies and the
so
workers will be
once
here.
you go finish here, you go. So here's where the machines ends.
Okay.
And this area to that area is between the divesting station where you now put back on all the stuff you used to put off.
Okay.
You queue up. We have immigration counters, and then we also have the E-gates.
Now you guys had the E-gates before.
Correct, but they were before the screening.
Right.
Now we put it in after the screening.
Okay, how many E-gates we talking?
8 of them.
8 E-gates.
8 E-gates plus 3 counters in case you do not have the electronics in your passport. You go to the gates.
So you're going to see a physical person?
Correct.
Okay, all right. Moving right along.
So once you pass through that, you're in the departure hall.
Okay. Now this is also going to be one of the first things that's open in Princess Juliana International Airport.
By October 2024, we should be working from up here.
October 2024 departure.
Correct.
Okay, so that means the jet bridges have to be in too.
The jet bridges are on the way.
Okay, all right.
The bridges are on the way. They should be here by the end of March 2024.
So one thing I remember, once you came through, you actually, you guys did a change where you went through the store where you could buy liquor, food. Is that going to be still the same?
We've changed the concept a little bit.
Okay.
We had a new designer came on board who had a different vision. We bought the vision, so we're going to be implementing it. As you can see, there's a lot of design work now in the curvature of the...
yes. Okay.
So once you walk through from the E-gates and you're in the departure, there's going to be a large flight information display up here.
Okay.
It tells you where you can find your gates. Also, some advertisement is going to be done there as well.
Okay, all right. So are we going to still have the same amount of jet bridges, or are we going to add more, or just keep it the same?
Same amount with some improvements.
Okay, all right.
Each one of the gates will now have a escalator.
The jet bridge is going to have an escalator?
So once you enter the building to get into the arrival area, you're going to have an escalator that takes you down into the arrival area.
Because there used to be stairs or an elevator, and that was kind of... Now, I remember over in this corner, this is where Winair?
Correct. This is over to the east side of the building.
Okay. So is this still going to be the same? Is this going to change?
It's going to remain the same, but we're also going to allow the passengers, when they board, they can go downstairs. There's going to be a lounge downstairs before they go out into the buses.
Okay, all right. Yeah. This is going to be, what's going to be all here?
This is going to be a bar.
A bar?
A bar is going to be on this side.
Yes.
This big open area is normally what the passengers do not see. This is our IT room.
Okay.
This was the only location that was not damaged during the hurricane.
No, okay.
So when the roof came off, just here remained and everything else came off. So our IT, our
Was
personnel-
luckily saved.
Exactly.
Okay.
That's why we were able to, within a month, we were able to start flights into the island.
Okay. I remember over there used to be a bathroom in the corner over there.
There is, it's still coming back,
Okay, the bathroom's still coming back.
but we're going to also have a pet relief area.
Ah,
in that location.
finally!
Yes.
You can
You
get
have
your
to-
pets relieved. Finally. Now, what about my smokers? Where's the smoking room? Can
Let's
you
go.
follow
Let's
me
take a
this
look.
way?
We're over at the sea gates. Normally, Winier would be over on this side. Commuter, St. Bart's commuter, they all would book from this side of the airport. The smoking room is coming back as
Okay.
well. So it's right close to the A4 gate.
This is, yes, okay, so this is the corner gate, A4.
Correct.
So this is where they're going to be the smoking section. Okay.
And as you can see, we already made the space where the escalator needs to come for this.
So so you guys have to actually jackhammer the floor to put new escalators in for every gate?
Correct.
Wow.
Correct.
Wow.
And that now is into the operational location that we are functioning from right now.
Okay. Wow.
So this has to be done in the next phase. We're trying to see how we can merge them, but a lot of noise, a lot of debris, a lot of complaints.
Oh, okay. All right. So now there was something here. There was a food court.
There was a food outlet here.
food. I remember that.
Right? That's now going. This is going to be all retail.
Okay.
On this area, we have the bar on this side.
Okay.
Food
So-
outlet. Food outlet.
So we're talking about food. Are we getting like a Chick-fil-A? Are we getting like an Arby's? Are we getting what kind of food we getting? I mean, that's really important when you travel,
I know
man.
we have fast food. I know we have some restaurants. I know we have different types of food. I just don't know where they are right
Okay,
now.
all right. So we got concession. So this is where we come in.
Correct.
There was stores here too. They had a couple of like a liquor store or something.
Shipwreck.
Shipwreck was
There
here.
was, a jewelry store was down here. All of this tile that we have, they've already cleaned it. We've taken up all the residue off of the tiles because we had tile on tile. It's been now ready for the terrazzo.
So you're getting these brand new terrazzo tiles are gonna go on the floor.
Correct. Well, not tile is actually more of an aggregate.
Oh, the aggregate. Okay.
So they need to put fiberglass meshing down first.
Okay.
They mark it out into segments. Then they divide it on exactly how we're going to be able to transition from one color to the other. And then they're going to pour it.
Okay.
The other side is already completed. This side is
That
going to
side's
be done
completed
now.
already. Okay. And this is the floor you were talking about. This is how they.
Correct. This is the beginning of it. This is just the bottom layer. There's going to be like 3 more layers of this. Smooth it off. They're going to cover it, and when they're ready, they're going to polish it, and you're going to almost see your face in it.
Okay. All right. Now, also, if I'm not mistaken, this is where the VIP was. The
Correct. We're
the
actually
VIP
standing
lounge.
in the beginning of the VIP.
Oh, there's the entrance.
Correct.
Okay.
So that's the first jet bridge. The second jet bridge is over there. These are the stairs and elevator that takes you down to
Elevator was there, right?
the big gates, the busing gates. And this was the entrance to the VIP.
Now, something you guys did different with the VIP is
Oh, you realize that?
there's going to be an upstairs too, no?
Yeah. It actually got smaller on this floor. It stretched a little bit past that pole.
Okay.
We made it a little bit smaller on this level, but then we included some restrooms that have showers.
Ah, now you can shower.
So in the back here now we have restrooms, and we also have showers for anyone who comes from the beach who needs to take a freshen up before they jump on the flight.
Me personally, I'm taking a fresh up in my hotel room before I come to the airport. That's just me personally. But yeah, if you need to take a shower, freshen up, you can come here to the VIP lounge. And then there's also an upstairs too,
There's an
correct?
upstairs. Let's go take a look at the upstairs.
And
this-
okay.
So this is the VIP.
So this was offices before.
Correct.
And now it's going to be VIP. So I picture there's going to be what, a balcony or glass here?
Glass.
Glass. So you can sit up here, cocktail. And is it going to run all the way to the end there?
Well, we have a balcony that's going to run out to this area. So where we have this blockage right now, we're going to have a door. People ask, why do you need a door when you're inside of a building?
Noise.
There you go.
Noise.
There you go.
Obviously, duh.
So we'll be able to put chairs tables, everything out
And a
here.
balcony. You could sip your wine and
You can see what's going on into the departure lounge.
like, look at me, I'm in VIP, like in the club. You know what I'm saying? Look at me, I'm chilling. Okay. Well, this, Mirto, has been very, very, very interesting, and to see what's going on and all the different changes in the departure. And like you said, this is going to be the first phase that should be open to the public. Hey,
Thank you
it's
very
been
much.
great. This has been a great
Thanks for
tour.
coming down.
And hopefully we can see you some later episodes. Give us some more.
Let us know
info.
when you want to do some recording.
All right, y'all. Restoring a Princess. It's your boy G Money. Please hit that like button and follow us and watch out for future episodes. Until next time.